Okay, say you want to make some rings and they're an exotic material. Maybe they're a brass or bronze or inconel or a special non-magnetic stainless steel, and you have to make these parts. So you got to have some tubing to make the parts from because they're round and hollow on the inside. You can't buy tubing in special materials unless you buy a whole lot of it, and that's not practical because you only need 50, 100 pieces or whatnot. So what do? Well, there's a casting method just for that, and what it's called is centrifugal casting. Basically, you pour hot metal into a die. The die is spinning. Inertia sends the hot molten metal to the exterior perimeter of the die, the OD, and the less dense material that might have anything in it, inclusions or whatnot, that stays in the ID. So the ID is not as clean as the OD, but you only want the OD. So you pull the part out of the die once it's frozen. Stop spinning, stop pouring, it's frozen, you pull it out, you trim the OD off because you had some die release material in there so the molten material would stick to the steel die, and then the ID is just the less clean, less dense material, you clean that off. Uh, anyway, that's centrifugal casting, and as the name suggests, it's all about inertia. It's a very dense casting. You don't have really no issues with porosity of this just because of the nature of the way it's poured.